Come on, let's go. And then slide. Ready, set, go. She always decorates her chimney so cute. And then that's me over there on my 15. It's my mommy and daddy. And then also me. Everybody has a baby picture. Freaking cute ass. And then literally Isaac and me, come on. On my old VHSs, I have my Star Wars collections. My mom gave me a couple of little Easter stuff because I told her since she decorates so much and she has a lot left over because she really accumulates throughout the years whenever there's sales like the after day. I told her she can give me some, and she gave me a lot of cute stuff. She gave me all these little arrangement things, and I arranged it like this, and then she gave me this little thing that I'm gonna put outside, and she gave me a couple more things, but I already put them in the back of the Jeep. So yeah, I'm taking all my stuff. And these are my cute little Campbell soup cups. These are my cute Campbell tomato soup cups. Whenever I was sick, I would always eat my tomato soup with my grilled cheese or my chicken noodle soups in there. They're so cute. Throwback. You gotta go to the doctor, get Isaac's shots and all that nasty, painful stuff over with. So check in later. Post with your friends. This is how he acts all the time. This is what y'all don't see behind cameras. I'm gonna start putting on your clothes and stuff. They've been loving their new shoes. I have a couple of shopping lists. I kind of want some cute blouses. I'm gonna look at lingerie because I really like the strappy little type of things. But I'm looking for a lot of summer clothes, mainly blouses right now. Kind of looking at the decor. The kids wanted a toy to play with. But yeah, everything is half off. I already have some blouses and stuff right here because I don't want it to get in the way of the kids. But I'm gonna look through my thing to kind of get inspiration and then go looking. I'm not, I didn't set up the tripod or anything because I only got 3 things. I got this dish to cook in the oven for $6.99, $6.96, and it's 8 by 11 or 12 inches, I believe. And then I got this little, it's not a mason jar, but it's like to keep everything fresh. And this one was $1.81. And then surprisingly, we were gonna get this one for the kids at Walmart, but they had it here without our little person though for $2.12, and I got everything jacked up. But yeah, like I said, everything was half off. Everything was so picked through, so I didn't really buy that much clothes. I'm just gonna go whenever it's not a half off day, because yeah. But with the little glass dish, I'm thinking about making a little casserole like this with biscuits, kind of like a chicken pot pie. But yeah, I'm cutting up everything and getting dinner started. And yeah, I look like a hot mess because yeah, I feel like they cut off the AC in the thrift store when it's like half day, just so people won't be there that long. But yeah, I'm gonna get to cooking. Hubby should be here like in a couple of hours. This is how the biscuit pot pie came out. I'm really hungry. I really want to try it, hopefully. It tastes really good, and I was able to fit all 8 of them just perfectly and snug. So yeah, now for a taste test.